Hi guys, so the car which we are going to review today is the mighty BMW M8. 8 is the highest number in the BMW lineup, you can own it. BMW revived the M8 nameplate, introducing the M8 GT race car. The M8 is powered by the BMW's S63 twin-turbo V8 engine, which is a 4-liter unit which produces around 600 bhp of power. It can do 0 to 100 in 3.3 seconds, which is blisteringly quick. And this is the BMW Active Trim kidney grille, a one-piece unit. You have a camera placement in between. You get a lot of M bits in this car, like this M bumper, a nice inverted L type BMW style headlights. These are the BMW laser headlights with high beam assistant. A nice mesh finish here. You get parking sensors in the front. The main concept of owning BMW M cars is for the level of customization and the level of performance they give. You get a nice long bonnet and a short boot to give a nice coupe style. This car's engine is being borrowed from the M5, the X5, the 6M. These are the new 20-inch double-spoke M light alloy wheels. Can be customized to a taste from BMW. This is the air curtain, which is really functional to reduce the air turbulence in the tire. And these are the wing mirrors, special BMW M wing mirrors. They're very functional, they have a lot of functions to it. You can see a blind spot mirror monitoring here. You get a camera placement here. This car gets a 360-degree parking camera. You get a carbon fiber roof. This reduces the weight of the car to improve the efficiency dynamics. This measures around 4000 millimeters in length, gets a height of 1300 millimeters and a width of 1900 millimeters. Quite a long car, and it's well styled. Gives a good road presence. It's definitely a looker. It weighs around 1800 kgs, and you get a soft close door. Everything is customized. This is also customized for a customer. The level of customization which BMW offers, no manufacturer does it in the way the BMW does. This car gets a lot of M bits, like the M Steptronic transmission, the M Sevetronic with 2 adaptive modes, that is M1 and M2. The rear profile looks really muscular, and these are the M exhaust system. Looks really beefy. Reflector setup there. Nice placement for the number plate. The car is really practical enough to put away luggage. It gets a piano finishing for the exhaust system diffuser. M8 badging. The camera setup here. A lip spoiler as well. It's finished in a gloss black. These are the rear LED tail lights. Gives a nice character to the car and gets with the style of the car. Really sleek. Will not mistake you for any other car. Open the boot. It's a powered one. Being in sports car, it's not down on practicality. It gets a 420 liters of boot. It's a powered tailgate and quite nice. The boot is quite big. You can squeeze in a lot of luggage inside. You get a light placement inside and it gets a 50-50 way seat foldable. You can have a lever to operate this. A first aid kit. You get few places to store here, nets. On the whole, very good on practicality. BMW has thought about the customers in every aspect to make it as a daily driver. This car gets a permanent all-wheel drive, which BMW calls it the X drive. This car can do a top speed of 250 km per hour and it can be raised to 305 km per hour with the driver's package, which also adds high-speed rated tires. This is also customizable from BMW. So now we are in the interior of the car, and this is the new 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster. It's new to the BMW lineup. It's a high resolution one, and this is very customizable. It adapts to the driving mode to give a good visual energy to the driver. There's multiple options to it. It's showing me a lot of information like the tire pressure. It's showing me the engine coolant level, the Newton meter and kilowatt meter. This is the G-force meter. This is one of the best instrument clusters BMW has made. It's very crisp and very clear. And this is the driving modes button. You can configure the two buttons here, the M1 and M2. These are the M Sevetronic mode buttons, which BMW calls it. And there's a good leather finishing on the top of the dashboard. And look at this, the stitching from the door pad connects to the dashboard and goes all the way to the other end, which gives a good hug feel for the driver and the co-driver. And this is the new 10.25-inch multimedia screen. It's very fluid to use, very sleek, has ton of information. There's M menu in it. You can configure the M1 and M2 modes here according to your driving needs. Everything can be customizable. You can even change the heads-up display level here. You can configure according to your height and driving position. The vehicle status here. There's a tire pressure monitoring, engine oil check, service requirements. So there's no such feature which BMW has missed in this. Everything is given attention and detail. It's operated through touchscreen and via the iDrive interface, which is a good thing. And this is the dual zone climate control, hazard switch, and this button is for the driver intelligent safety, like lane assist, lane watch. It can be configured according to individual driving pattern, the blind spot monitoring as well. Safety is given first preference to the BMW. This car gets a seat ventilation function, which is also customizable. and this is for the wireless smartphone charge. You have a display key here, the BMW display key, but unfortunately it's out of charge, so you'll not be able to operate this. It's a very nice sleek looking key. It's charging now. This car gets a full merino leather. This color, it's mid-range range. There are 10 other color options, a long equipment list BMW has given to its customers. That's special about the BMW M cars. So guys, this car cost around 2 crore and 18 lakh rupees ex showroom. Quite expensive, but BMW has justified the price tag by the way it's engineered its car. If you like the video, do like, share, subscribe to the channel. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.